Okay, so this is take 2 of me trying to set something on fire. I am trying to burn the top soft bottles so that I can use them for jars and for whatever, tools, whatever, because obviously I can't use them when they have a very narrow opening. So I watched a few videos, did some research. The easiest way to do this, I tried using a glass cutter, Paul tried using a blowtorch. Fail. So, the trick that I saw was to use nail polish remover, string, and a lighter, and buckets of water. I'm going to walk through this very quickly because my battery is going to die and it's cold out here. And we douse the string in acetone nail polish remover. And there is my beautiful shiny finish, which is okay because I have so many cuts on my hands from working out here that having beautiful nails doesn't really make sense. Okay, let's try to get this flaming. Alright, finally. The rest of it doesn't want to take. So maybe I'm not soaking the string long enough. Well, let's try soaking the string again. Maybe I'm not using thick enough string either. I'm not quite sure what the problem is. I tried to use some natural fiber string that Paul had left over from the military, because all the string that I have in my materials is colored and dyed, and I'm not sure. But that's what I'm going to try next if this doesn't work. Alright, should I try to light this with this on my fingers? I guess so. Fail.